over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers.
Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the FIFA World Cup. Bafana 0, Canada 1. I'm joined by China.
Steve Njayam.
How are you, my brother?
Alek Herman. We need to. Thina kumele kangasiyidilute izinto kumele siqonde ngqo sometimes.
Yeah, straight.
We need to be honest. I believe in honesty.
Yes.
Some people will say that kunama fans Chipo I2.
Sure.
There's a fan a favor Ebola with love.
Yes.
There's a fan a favor Ebola with the belief ukuthi uzokhula as this fan aye lapha
Yeah.
Thina ke sifave ibhola sila egroundini sizophela la egroundini.
Ngiyakubamba.
Look Schibo usinesipho wakwamali.
Sure.
Analyst, performance analyst Bafana.
Yeah.
He said senza umsebenzi thina lapha usinesipho. The performance analyst Bafana.
Sure.
Ithi benza umsebenzi lapha thina masicheke sale sikhuluma as fans.
Sure.
Sikhuluma akakhulu as fans. Look, usinesipho uyigejile. Yeah, usinesipho uyigejile because of now what he said, the excitement yakhe against South Korea. Imenze akakhona ukwenza umsebenzi wakhe for Canada. As a performance analyst, usinesipho Mali was supposed to know that Canada is good kuma aerial balls.
Sure.
Wenzeni yena ngaleyo nto leyo akenzanga next. Now we were pressed more because of usinesipho Mali ubonile ukuthi thina asideserve ukuthi sibe ne creativity. Akabonanga ukuthi the best way to win the game kumele sibe no 10. Usinesipho Mali aka-advisanga ucoach ukuthi the best combination that will work for us is combination kaSithole noMbatha.
Sure.
People that will be creative in order for them to supply a police no Maseko. Look, bro, we failed this game.
We did.
We can blame everything. We can blame pitch. We can blame anything. Why Bafana kusoscore iqale yadlala? What was he waiting for? What were they waiting for? Bafana started to play, to engage with play after the goal. It means they had an energy to play. They had a way to play, but they failed to play. Usinesipho Mali as umsebenzi wakhe uSafa need to investigate. We call upon uSafa to investigate Usinesipho Mali. Usinesipho Mali failed with Chippa United, failed with Sekhukhune Siyamazi, and then failed as a scout at Kaizer Chiefs. Siyamazi. And then now uyospela Bafana. Siyamazi Usinesipho Mali thina. Siyamazi Usinesipho Mali. Now ezinye izinto siyazibona siyathula. Now look, akakhonanga uadvisor ucoach right. As yena kumele lethele ucoach data. Athi look coach, this is how Canada will attack. Canada will use aerial balls. Canada will attack ngama counter attacks. And then now coach senza kanjani? We need the creativity. You cannot substitute Urile. Urile was not tired. Coach and some blame kanjani? Urile was not tired. Urile just needed someone who will supply him balls. The combination Sithole Nomkwena, it was not working. And then now after we substituted Urile kwenzekeni, we lost creativity because of how come we played without a 10. Now when we didn't have a 10, we were using a false 10. Our police will go to 10, Umbatha will go to 10. There's no one or regular to that 10, a dedicated 10. So Tina, sometimes it's South Africa this was their game. They failed themselves. Now Obosnesipho Mali abathi thina siyapepereza bona benza umsebenzi. Ukuphi lo msebenzi? We need to be honest about this. Mina ngizoyikhuluma ivar. We can credit coach. We can credit and credit coach coach Bruce Brawam. This was the development ka Rulani no Pitso from Sundowns. Abona bomukwena. Then this was abombokazi. Ngibo laba babuildwe ngulo mfana uRiveiro. And then now yena ucombine lama player. Now kumele simnike credit e10. Upitso can do this, Rulani can do this. Umadala ucombine ama players that were already developed. Let's give credit to Rulani, let's give credit to uRiveiro. These are the players esizibonile South Africa. The improvement of South African football
Yes.
improved the Bafana Bafana team
On the club level.
on the club level. So
Yes.
this whole thing started from the club level.
Yes.
Now kumele now singasho uMadala Plum. uMadala Plum played 11 games, won 2. Played 11 games, won 2, 11
That's a bad
games.
record.
That's a bad record. World Cup, Plum, we were there. In the World Cup, we only won 1 game.
Imagine.
And then now all of a sudden, we
yeah.
only won 1 game, World Cup. Only won 1 game. Surprise because of 11 games he won 2. Kanti yini lengake siyiphraisayo thina? Hayi bafethu hayi.